Hey guys, this is Shaun here from 24/7 Techie, and these are the Realme Buds Air Neo, and these are priced at 3000 rupees, just launched in India. I just got it delivered through Flipkart. So in this video we will quickly unbox these earphones, pair it with the phone, and I'll tell you my initial impressions. So guys, these are the specs of the device, and super low latency mode, big dynamic bass driver, 17 hours of battery life, Google's fast pairing, Bluetooth 5.0, and smart touch control. Looks pretty decent. So let's unbox this. So these are the earphones. Pretty good. Charging cable, and it's a micro USB port, not a USB type C port. So this is the earphone. Looks very similar to the Realme Buds Neo. So yeah, this is the Realme Link app. We'll just try to add the device. So I haven't pressed any button yet. I just opened it and I think it's automatically pairing to that Google's fast pair. I still think it's still searching. Unable to connect because I didn't press the button. So it was not able to pair through Google fast pairing. I tried it 3 or 4 times. It was not able to pair. So I did it the old fashioned way, and I think it's paired now. But it's still not showing in the Realme Link app. So it shows as paired. We will go into this. We'll put these two again inside. And it's paired. So yeah, this is how it's working. I don't know if Realme Link app is able to do anything or not, because it was not able to pair through it. I did it all old traditional way. So these are for 3000 rupees, and the Redmi ones are for 1800, which is almost 2000 rupees. So it will be really interesting to see which one is better. So let me get back to you with the comparison. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That would be a big help to us, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, see ya. Thank you very much, guys.